Sandwich.
The yummy, delicious grilled cheese sandwich! Like grilled cheese? Well, today we're gonna make grilled cheese. I'm gonna teach you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. All right, first we need the bread. All right, now I'm out of bread except for hamburger rolls, okay? All right, we got the hamburger rolls, and I like cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese, right? And we have butter or olive oil, either one, it's up to you, all right? But I'm gonna tell you, today, I want it quick and easy. I put olive oil in, that's one. I'm going to put the bread in so that the oil gets on it. I'm gonna turn this up, turn the fire up, on, and I'm gonna put some cheese on it. Cheese, queso in Espanol, right? And well, now I could have did it differently. I'm gonna make it like a sandwich and then put it in the oven or on the pan. And that's it. I'm gonna cook both sides. I'm gonna cook it on this side for about a minute, turn it over, flip it with a spatula, and then I'm gonna show you the results, okay? I'll be right back with some good, yummy, delicious grilled cheese sandwich. The yummy, delicious grilled cheese sandwich!